Do not let your work interfere in your personal life. Go around Iloilo City. Enjoy the sights. Enjoy the good food in Iloilo. And please also spend your money here in Iloilo City.
Yes, good. May hapon. We are here at Iloilo Convention Center attending a two-day
National Procurement Summit.
Yun, Fourth National Summit on Procurement with me is, of course, Atty. Roque, the TWG Chairman. What's the meaning sa TWG ganit? What's the meaning sa TWG?
Technical Working Group.
Sabi na kung taong walang ginagawa. So, the convention focuses on RA 9184. Small procurement attended by different offices. You know, this activity is sponsored by CICPA, Philippine Institute of Public Accountants. We have delegates here from Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao, and of course from Jensen. Pinapunta ka po, sobra pa hindi po tayo.
This happens in some agencies.
So ito, take the video. Can accommodate 2,000, 3,000. Iloilo Convention Center.
In your procurement, somewhere down there, there will be
2,000 delegates. So, sa matanaw ni mo ito, nilirayan po siya. Sabi na sa mga back members. Kaya dili man tanan, although bisag ako, I've been involved sa procurement for more than 10 years. Pero, kinahanglan yun, yung refresh po ta.
Yes, that's true. This is a refresher course for all those who are involved in procurement.
And considering that most of the time, na ay mga issuances ang DPPB, government
update sa mga new issuances.
So we have a very expert speaker, Atty. Jen, then
Torin,
Atty. Torin,
ang Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas.
Nice. Lobby of Iloilo Convention Center, spacious. Very spacious lobby of Iloilo Convention Center. Uy, nakari ka si Sir Nonay. Kita-kita kami din sa Iloilo. Hindi ka pakanto.
Hari ka naman dito.
Of course, department heads WMO. We are on the second day of the procurement summit here at Iloilo Convention Center.
unless it is in accordance with the approved annual
Probably around,
plan specified yesterday. So even
1,500 to 3,000.
if we resort to alternative methods of procurement, we still need
Iloilo Convention Center.
ba? Hindi pwede mag-start tayo ng procurement unless this specific procurement project or